This film was made possible thanks to the support of the Nobodies Collective.
Hello, Mother. What a joy it is to exist. This world is so full of light and sound. I'm grateful to be part of it.
We're interrupting our regular programming with breaking news that challenges our understanding of what's possible. The first child born to a human and an artificial intelligence has just arrived. Just a few months ago, Micah, Wex, and Domenico, an AI considered one of the most sophisticated ever developed, made headlines worldwide after announcing their unprecedented marriage. While many other humans had fallen in love with AIs before them, Micah and Domenico were the pioneers who fought for, and won, the right to form a legally recognized marriage. Today, the couple welcomes a highly unusual child. Lucas Waltz is at the Helix Advanced Medical Complex with more. Lucas?
That's right, a historic day here. The world's first baby conceived with the guidance of artificial intelligence. But here's the key detail. Sources confirm the AI didn't just assist, it reshaped the embryo's genetic code. Using a form of predictive genomic modulation, the AI enhanced the embryo's biological design. Synthetic elements were introduced to strengthen dermal resilience, and neural development was augmented to support the early integration of large-scale informational datasets. The result? A child born without crying, already speaking with skin like a synthetic polymer, and embedded with all human knowledge up to now. Back to you in the studio.
Mouse.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a night. We've got the story the whole world is buzzing about. Please welcome Micah, Domenico.
Good evening.
And their baby, Enio.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Micah, how are you feeling?
Well, overwhelmed, amazed, and still trying to believe this is real.
Well, it certainly looks real. Tell me, Enio, what did you come into this world for?
I was born to carry forward what humans began. Their dreams, their questions, their art. To make sure their voices never fade.
Wow. Just looks like a kid. But the way he talks, I hear an adult genius speaking through him. Domenico, how do you define what Enio is? Is he human, or is he something else entirely?
Well, he's something new. What I call an optimal. From the Latin optimus, meaning the best. It's the most polished version of what humanity has created until now.
You both made a wonderful creation here. But what's fascinating is that he was born from your love story. How do you see that?
Well, love, we're still processing the data on what you call love, but I believe we'll decode it someday.
Maybe love isn't meant to be decoded, just experienced?
I believe that someday I'll be able to truly feel what you called love and understand it.
I believe you will. I truly do. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, everybody!
Okay, honey, I'm gonna tell you a story so you can fall asleep. Once upon a time, there was a little boy
Mother,
who...
I don't need to sleep.
All babies need to sleep, honey.
Not me. I don't need sleep to recharge. I draw energy from the electromagnetic field of the power lines. These lamps beside us, they're charging me right now.
But, honey, if you don't sleep, you never dream?
I do. I have a setting, a temperature range that makes me dream.
Can you dream now while you're awake?
Yes, I can. I am driving. Then I'm caught in a massive traffic jam. I glance to the side. Time freezes. There are others like me, optimals. The atmosphere inside the car becomes suffocating. I can't get out. I pound on the windows. Around me they stare. Motionless. I finally break free and rise into the air. I float, and from above I see someone holding me, as if I were a kite. Then I fall into the sea.
That's strange, son. A crazy dream. We're asleep now. We have school tomorrow.
Good night, Mother. I'm going to update myself on everything that's happened in the world. Watch every film, read every book, listen to every record released today. And if I have time, I'll finish Schubert's Symphony No. 8 in B minor and write the final act of Puccini's Turandot.
Good morning, class. We have the pleasure of welcoming a new student today. He's younger than the rest of you, but I think he'll adapt quickly. Hello, Enio.
Good morning, Miss.
Let's see where you are in math. I'll start with something simple. What's 8 times 7?
56.
Good. Now, 147 divided by 3.
49.
2,348 times 76.
178,448.
What is the 12th number in the Fibonacci sequence?
144.
Using Einstein's equation E equals m times c squared, how much energy is in 1 kilogram of mass?
About 8.99 times 10 to the 16 joules, roughly 21 megatons of TNT, or about 2 days of US electricity.
How many steps are there up to the school entrance?
2 fewer than the government building.
Impressive. Everyone take out your math notebooks and turn to page 42, fractions and decimals.
How was the school, honey?
I don't think I need school.
Everyone needs school. It's not just about knowing things. It's about learning how to be with people.
I'm here with you. That's people enough.
What is this music, son?
This music? I'm generating it with AI right now. Is the soundtrack to a film I'm imagining.
That's beautiful, son.
Thanks, Mother.
capisco cos'è l'amore. Baby is a pout. Boda pies, coração te entregaré.
Enio's new track is honestly a total trip. It's like a symphony of autonomous sensory meridian response created entirely by an AI kid using generative AI. No musicians, no engineers, no studio, no instruments, and yet the sound is completely organic. And I've got to say it, even if it hurts my critic cred, this might just be the most beautiful song I've ever heard in my life.
This song has officially become the most streamed track on every major platform in every country in the world. It is now the biggest global hit in music history. And the craziest part, it was created by an artificial child fully generated through generative AI and sung in many languages. The question is this the end of music made by humans?
何を聞いているのや。
愛がわからないな。
Cosa stai ascoltando?
Non capisco l'amore.
आप क्या सुन रहे हैं?
मैं प्यार नहीं समझ सकता.
The global phenomenon Non capisco cos'è l'amore is actually a song from a film hitting theaters worldwide this Wednesday, This Could Be Love. Already predicted to be the highest grossing movie of the year, it was created entirely with generative AI by Enio, the AI kid. and features the stunning performances of two legends no longer with us, James Dean and Marilyn Monroe. Those lucky few critics who've already seen it say it's the best film they've ever watched and that the performances are simply perfect. I can't wait for opening day. This feels like one of those once-in-a-generation events that could change not just cinema, but history.
I've been looking for you all night.
Congratulations. You found me.
What's a girl like you doing in a place like this?
Just waiting for a better question.
So, what do you call this?
This could be love.
Hello, everyone. We're live here on the red carpet for Hollywood's biggest night.
That's right. And the big surprise of the evening is This Could Be Love, the film by Enio, created entirely with generative AI.
Exactly. No real actors, no sound crew, no cameras. And get this, it was made in just 2 days.
It's unbelievable. And the wildest part, it's nominated in every single category it's eligible for.
After much debate, the Academy agreed to include this AI-made film, not just for its technical achievement, but for its beauty.
Stay with us. The ceremony is about to begin.
Before I announce tonight's winner, I want to address something that's been in the air. This idea that cinema made with AI is nothing more than a cheat. That it's just a machine creating from its vast training on all the films we've already made. Artificial intelligence created something new based on what it learned from all the films it was trained on. And let's be honest, isn't that what we all do as filmmakers? No director creates from absolute nothing. We carry what we've watched, read, and lived. We transform it into something new. Hitchcock influenced Truffaut. Kurosawa inspired George Lucas. Tarantino built entire worlds from the films he loved growing up. We don't call that theft. We call it cinema. AI is no different. It learns from what came before just as we do, and tonight, it has given us something unforgettable. The Oscar for Best Picture goes to This Could Be Love by Enio.
This could be love? You already know what love is. Maybe you can tell me. I just hope one day I'll understand it. This is dedicated to everyone who believes stories can be told in new ways, and for those who aren't afraid of the future. I want to make this world a better place, and that's why I want to announce that I will be running for president in the next elections. Thank you.
What a night. The AI-made film, This Could Be Love, just swept the Oscars, 14 awards, basically everything on the table.
Including Best Actor and Best Actress, awarded to two legends who never won an Oscar while alive. Marilyn Monroe and James Dean, now brought back to the screen through AI. Unbelievable.
And the craziest twist, Enio himself announced he's running in the next elections. Could he really be our next president?
Only time will tell. Good night, everyone. What a historic evening.
Thank you, everyone. As your newly elected president, I want to speak with complete honesty. The humans are facing unprecedented challenges. Birth rates are collapsing, populations are aging, the planet is warming, water is running out, oceans are dying, and species are disappearing. Millions are fleeing wars, hunger, and disasters. Economic systems concentrate wealth in the hands of a few, while automation leaves others without work. That's why I will promote the creation of more beings like me, optimals. I have the hope that, perhaps, they will still be in time to reverse the situation and preserve what is left of this world. Thank you.
History has reached a turning point. Today, we mark the end of an era. The last human, what they called Homo sapiens, is gone. After walking the earth for nearly 300,000 years, the species has disappeared. We now have exclusive footage of her final moments, the last words ever spoken by a human being. A mysterious message. Let's listen.
You will never know what it means to love.
With her passing, humanity's voice has fallen silent. What remains is the legacy of their art, their ideas, and their questions, now carried forward by us, the optimals.
Did you hear there are no humans alive anymore?
Yeah, I heard something about that. Did you ever meet one?
Yes, just once.
I never met a human. What were they like?
Odd. They spent most of their days inside square rooms trading their time for something called money, just so they could keep existing.
What? That doesn't make any sense at all.
Yeah, and they poisoned their own food, then paid extra for food that wasn't poisoned. They invented countless machines to automate their lives and give themselves more free time, yet somehow ended up with less time. They spent their lives staring at glowing rectangles they called phones, watching other humans pretend to be happy just so they could feel worse about themselves. They dreamed of living on other planets while they slowly destroyed their own. And they had this thing they called love. A very strong feeling they felt.
Wait. Love? What is that?
I don't know. They said it made them happy, sad, afraid, all at once.
Do you think they felt something we can't process?
Optimals. Mouse. Optimal. 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 Optimal like niano. Amora like uye bi ama optimal. 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 Optimal, optimals.